going to be folding my clothes a way that my mother taught me. So our first step to folding it is we're going to put the tag part and the neck part upside down, like this. And then we're going to flatten it out and just boop and do. Like this. It's okay if it goes off the edge. It doesn't matter where you're doing it. It can be anywhere and everywhere. Like that. It doesn't matter. Flatten it all out. And then you're going to get this and you're going to fold it over like that. Over like that. Just like this. It's okay if that happens. You can just redo it. It's okay. Flatten it out. Make sure it's all even. It might take a while, but once you get used to it, it'll go by really, really fast. You're going to want to make sure there's no wrinkles. And then since we have this very long sleeve, we're going to take it over and back like that. Flatten it out again. And then we're going to get this side. Not too much, but we're going to pull it over just a little bit. Like that. And flatten it out. Okay, and once it's flattened it out again, we're going to go like this. And fold back in like that. Flatten it out again. And then we're going to go from the bottom part right here. This is the bottom. That is the top. You can just lift it up to check from the bottom to the top. And you're going to get it and you're going to fold it into 3/4. This part might take a while, so you have to measure exactly 3/4. I think right here maybe. 2, 3. And there we go. And here's this part. And that's how you guys fold my